Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In today's video, I will show you how to backup and restore Print Server on Windows Server. Print Server management is a critical task for IT administrators. It centralizes printer management, making it easy to deploy, control, and monitor printers across an organization. Server crashes, system migrations, or configuration errors can cause outages. Manually reconfiguring printers is time-consuming, so it is essential to have a backup of your print server configuration. This ensures that you can restore all printers, drivers, and settings. Before we start the backup, we need to access the print management tool built into Windows Server. You can access it through the Server Manager dashboard page. Click on Tools, and from there, click on Print Management. Once inside Print Management, click to expand your print server from the left, and here you will see a list of all printers, drivers, and print queues installed on your server. And by selecting Printers, you will find all the printers installed on your server. I have many printers that I use and installed on the server. Also selecting Ports, you will see all the IP addresses of the printers installed on your server. And by selecting Drivers, you will also find all the drivers that work with the printers installed on your server. All these configurations can be backed up in case of any failures that may suddenly appear in the server, or if you want to move the current server to a new server. Whatever the reason, Windows Server allows you to easily back up your print server configurations. Now we will learn how to create a backup of the print server by exporting all the printer settings. Right-click on Print Management from the left pane, and from the menu, select the Migrate Printers option, as this feature helps you to create a backup and restore the print server easily. We have two options in the Migrate Printers wizard. The first is Export Printer Queues and Printer Drivers to a file, and the second option is to restore. Select the first option and click the Next button. Then, select your server, if it is this server, or enter the path of another server on the network, and click Next. Here it lists or reviews everything that the server will back up, whether printers, ports, or drivers. It is a list of everything that the server will back up. You can review it before the backup and click the Next button. In this step, specify a location to save the backup file, where you can save the backup file on the same server. You can certainly save the backup file anywhere you want and move it later as you see fit for your work, and give an appropriate name to the backup file so that it's easy for you to access the file at any time. Once you click on the Next button, it will make a backup copy of all installed printers, their settings and drivers in a file. The backup process takes a few seconds, and then you can find the file in the place where you saved it, and it is a lightweight backup file that can be easily restored on the same server or a different server. And by returning again to Print Management, I will make some changes and modifications to the print server, such as removing printers and removing or deleting ports, and also deleting drivers, so that you can check how to restore them easily again through the backup file and without manually reconfiguring the printers again. Now I will restore the backup file. Right-click on Print Management from the left pane, and from the menu, select the Migrate Printers option. In this step, I will select the second option, which is Import Printer Queues and Printer Drivers from a file, and click Next button. Here, click on the Browse button and select the backup file you created. Then click on the Next button. Here it will list or review the backup file and what configurations will be restored on your print server. Click on the Next button and select the server to which the restoration will be performed, and it will most likely be this server, and click on Next. Here it is preferable to leave the settings as they are in the default mode, and click on Next. And when the restoration process starts, wait for a few seconds until it is completed successfully. Once finished, click on the Finish button. This process will automatically reinstall all printers and backup drivers without the need for manual setup, and the restored printers will be available to users immediately after import. After restoring, it's important to verify that all printers were restored correctly and are working as expected. Click Printers and Drivers to confirm that all printers are visible. My advice to you is to always back up your print server before making major changes or moving to a new system. This will save you time and ensure that the printer is available smoothly to your users. Print server management is a critical task for IT administrators as it centralizes printer management, making it easy to deploy, control, and monitor printers across the organization. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more IT lessons and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.